So the market has been relatively quiet, only moving on news-driven events. This morning we had a Trump tweet about the China trade war being very close. And you see NightTrader hit his profit target. We talked about this the other day. If you just hang in here long enough, you'll eventually get a rally. And that's what happened on the Trump tweet. 60-minute breakout, exited, re-entered. It's up. That's the only position that's open right now. So just a quick move up, and we'll see what happens in the future. There has been an anticipation of the market going up 10% on a China trade deal. So if the market's going to go up 10% on a China trade deal, and in anticipation of it going up 10% on a China trade deal, the market goes up. I don't know. I don't even know what the beginning point is at this point, but the market has gone up and up and up in anticipation of a China trade deal, and it's exceeded this 10% by now. And so what I would anticipate on a China trade deal would be a profit taking, a sell-off. And so this is what you call the discounting mechanism of the market. And people that are new don't understand this. They think that, oh, when the China trade deal is done, that's great bullish news. I'll buy them, but the market has already run up so much in anticipation of it. There'll be profit taking, and the market could potentially sell off. It's something to watch for. It's not an absolute certainty. It could rally at first and then sell off, but there are ebbs and flows in the market, and so it can't just turn into a fixed income investment where it goes straight up. And like it's been doing lately, it's just kind of pretty much gone straight up, very little pullback. So looking forward to more ebbs and flows because we don't have a whole lot of trades. The ones we do are working out, and we've got these, the 60-minute breakout. It did well today, or is in an open position in NightTrader. Looking forward to more ebbs and flows so we can have some more trades. And that is the latest on the stock index portfolio trades for today in the China trade war and what to anticipate into the future as we move forward with this news-driven cycle. Next Wednesday, December the 18th at 11:30 a.m., we have our second series in the webinar, Active Systems Trading Portfolio for 2020. This is for the $100K to $1 million plus account, but you can trade it with a 10K account because of micros. And so we're going to look at two different portfolios. The 100K for the E-minis, which can be traded with 10K with the micros, so you don't have to have 100K, you can trade it with 10K. And this is 30 different algorithms for both of these. And this is the minis right here, and this is the micros. The micros are 1/10 the size, and then you can scale that up to 1 million plus. And then the second portfolio is a 200K portfolio with 53 different strategies. So this does require 200K, and you can't trade that. You could trade the stock indexes with micros, but the other contracts don't have, not all the other contracts are 1/10 the size. If it were, you could trade it with 20K, but this is a 200K account. It's 53 algos. These two trade 30 different algos. And so never before in the history of futures trading can you trade 30 different algos with just 10K. And so micros let you do that, and minis are better execution, but you still have an opportunity to trade it with micros. So come to the webinar. You can register at the link in the notes section of this video. Let me know if you have any questions.